right, as I promised, we're fixing to make a wonderful, easy, fresh peach shortcake. And you're not gonna believe how easy this is. All right, we've got our peaches ready. We're gonna toss these with a cup and a half of sugar. All right, and we're gonna put a little fruit preservative. This will just keep them from browning. It won't affect their taste at all. But since we're serving these raw, I'm gonna use a little bit of that on them because I'm not gonna be serving this right away, so I don't want those peaches to be damaged or darkened in any way by the time I get them on the shortcake. Look at those. And as that sugar dissolves, they're gonna make their own syrup. And if they don't make enough syrup to suit you, I really love my shortcake just kind of sopping wet. So what I'll probably do is add a little warm water to this. And like I said, before too long, they'll be sitting in a nice syrup. All right, now we're fixing to get our pan ready for our shortcakes. And we're gonna spray our muffin tins real well with a non-stick spray, strictly because it's easier than taking a napkin or anything and swishing around in there. So our pan's ready to go. And we've got a biscuit mix and sugar, one of a Southern girl's very favorite ingredients, melted butter. Can't have too much melted butter. And we're gonna give a squirt because I just simply love the flavor of almond flavoring in peaches. And we're gonna do about a teaspoon. No, let's do, since I like it so much, let's do about a teaspoon and a half. And we're gonna just stir that up a little bit. And we're gonna add our milk in our beautiful measuring cup. And I'll give you a little hint. The less you work this biscuit dough, the better off you are. So we're just gonna stir this just until it's moistened. And if it has lumps in it, that's quite all right. Don't worry about it. Ooh, and I can smell that almond already. It smells, oh gosh, it smells wonderful. And it just kicks up a fresh peach. We're gonna use a simple ice cream scoop. We're never gonna have to dirty our hands, girls. We're gonna come over here and just drop a scoop into each hole. We want it about 3/4 full because we don't want no skimpy shortcakes. But that's just perfect. And these are gonna go into our preheated oven. Shut the door, and before we can say jack sprat, we're gonna be having peach shortcake. Now we're gonna move over to the finishing touch on our peach shortcake, and that's our fresh whipped cream. And we're gonna start by pouring our wonderful heavy cream that I went and got from the dairy farm myself. We're gonna add a 1/2 cup of sugar, and that looks to be about a 1/2 cup. And then we're gonna start this off on about a medium speed, and we're gonna let it beat right there just for a second, actually about 30 seconds. And then we're gonna turn that bad boy up all the way. There, that looks right. Sweet, fresh whipped cream, my favorite. Our shortbreads are out of the oven, and we're gonna set them there to cool. There's a nice little breeze coming in the door, so that'll chill them for a minute. And our peaches have been sitting here soaking in their sugar and just soaking up every bit of that sweetness. And let's see if I got enough sugar. Yeah, I did. We're gonna take our shortcakes, we're gonna slice them in two. When you serve this dessert, you have to have everybody sitting there with their coffee or whatever they're gonna have them right there ready because the ice cream will melt fairly quickly on you. So we're gonna put a scoop of ice cream, your sugared peaches. How yummy is that? And then we're gonna top him and top him one more time with some more wonderful peaches and peach syrup. And then for the finale, fresh whipped cream and a sprig of mint, and we're ready to eat. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.